like, share, and subscribe to my channel.
Reinscribe Valenzuela.
0000.
Hi guys! So ngayon guys, ang tutorial naman natin is kung paano magko-convert ng video to audio. So madali lang yun guys. So,
Home button.
una, hanapin nyo yung My Files. Hanapin natin.
Folder colon accessible. Folder code videos. Use voice changer with a Play Store as one of my files.
Tapos, pag nandito na tayo sa My Files,
Navigate up button. Can't wait to see you. Play video button.
so ba't tayo napunta
Back
dito?
button. Output option. Back button. Audio lab. Back button. My files. Accessibility home button. Like sure and 6408.mp4. Back button. My files.
So ngayon guys, nandito na tayo sa My Files. So, pag nandito na tayo sa My Files,
Accessibility button. Home button.
Wait lang.
Files. More options button. Search. Sources. Device storage 50. Photos 15. Videos 85. Audio 332. Documents 58. APKs 11. Archives 22. Sources. Messenger. Downloads.
hanapin nyo lang dito yung downloads.
My files. Like sure and 64. Like sure and 64. 142. ETI Eloquent Peanut.app 7.9. ETI Eloquent Peanut.app 7.9 MB.
Kasi pag guys, pag dito kayo sa download, lahat na yan, makikita nyo yan dito yung downloads, yung mga videos nyo.
GrizzlyGhost.net. GrizzlyGhost.107. Codex Museum 32B. Kool-Aid.mp3. 5.5 MB. Dulac.mp4 Dulac.mp4 6.2 MB. Can't wait to see you.mp4 4.3 MB.
So, etong Can't Wait to See You na video na lang.
Open. Cancel. Open with. Internet video player. More.
Tapos, pindutin nyo dito yung More.
Cancel. Open with. Internet video player. Voice changer video audio lab. Vidmate video audio lab.
Tapos, hanapin nyo yung Audio Lab.
Output option.
Kung wala pa kayong Audio Lab, pwede nyo i-download yun sa Google Play.
Navigate up button. Can't wait to see trim video. Video to audio. Video audio mix video to audio.
Tapos, hanapin nyo lang dito yung Video to Audio.
Default combo box audio bitrate. Navigate up button. Can't wait to see you. Play video button.
So, play natin siya.
Save button. 0.
Counting down the seconds, tick tock on my watch. Feels like ages since I saw you, feels like a mirage. Heart is racing, butterflies all tangled in a
Pag
rush.
nakita nyo na yan,
Video view. 0/0240. Select trim duration. Video range duration. Video range duration. Video range duration. 50. Decrease left slide. 000. Decrease left slide 1 second. Decrease right slide button. 000. Decrease right slide. Move left slide. Move right slide to play. Move left slide to move right slide to play. Can't wait to see you. Text not help button. MP3 uncheck radio button.
tapos pipili na kayo dito kung anong gusto nyo. Merong MP3. So, sa akin MP3 lang.
Checked.
Tapos may, pakita ko sa inyo yung iba.
Uncheck radio button.
Ayan, may, eto,
Wave uncheck radio
may
button.
Wave din.
M4A uncheck radio button.
Meron din M4A.
Flag uncheck radio button.
Meron din ito.
Uncheck radio button. Focus uncheck radio button. Default combo box audio bit. Default combo box audio sample rate. Default combo box audio bit rate. Default combo box audio sample rate. Default combo box audio channel. Music combo box use as. Save button.
Tapos, pag napindot nyo na yung kung ano yung gusto nyo, pwede rin yun siyang gawing ringtone, alarm. Pero sa akin, music lang kasi, kaya hindi na ako pumili. So, pindutin nyo na yung save.
Save. Estimated time left calculated cancel. Estimated time left 8%-0030.
So, ayan,
21%-0025.
Ayan.
31%-0021. 43%-0020. 56%-0016. 68%-0012. 79%-0006. 91%-0000.
Ayan, hintay nyo lang guys, naglo-loading.
Output created album art can't wait. Reliance Drive Valenzuela. New home view notifications. Slash video audio slash can't wait. To see you 12/01/25 16/07 14 408.mp3 play edit audio share upgrade to pro version. Upgrade read audio lab rate.
So, ayun.
Output created. Album art. Can't wait to see you. Slash storage slash play button.
So, play na natin. Ayan na siya, MP3 na siya.
0. Bottom sheet. New notification from audio lab. Can't wait to see you 12/01/25 16/07 14 408 audio lab.
Counting down the seconds, tick tock on my watch.
Home button.
Feels like
So, ganun lang siya guys kadali.
saw you, feels like a mirage.
Folder TikTok. Messenger. Facebook. My file. Play Store voice change settings. YouTube at 7 tick Messenger. Facebook. My files. Play Store voice changer with settings. YouTube at 7 notification videos. Folder colon music tools. Folder colon accessibility. Folder colon music tools.
So, ganun lang siya
Folder open.
guys
Size 3 by
kadali.
3. Audio lab. Sudo. Audio lab.
I-force stop ko yung audio lab kasi
System launcher.
yan, nagpa-play pa yung music.
App info. App info button. App info. Audio lab. Version 1 open button. Force stop button. Force stop button. App info.
Yan.
Home button.
Hindi ko kasi alam kung
Page
paano ito
videos.
patigilin.
Folder colon accessibility. Folder colon my eye. Folder colon video tools.
So,
Folder
ganun lang
open.
guys
Size 3 by
kadali.
2. Video tools text Arizona screen recorder.
Yan, kung may video kayo na gusto nyong
Arizona screen recorder.
i-convert to MP3 or kahit ano kung gusto nyo gawing music, ganun lang guys kadali. Tapos kung wala pala kayong audio lab, ilalagay ko na lang siguro yung yung link or baka hindi ko malagay. So, i-download nyo na lang.
0540.
So, ganun lang guys
Record button.
kadali. So, see you next video.